Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to discuss about an interesting concept which is select distinct. You know what select distinct is going to do in a SQL? Let's say, for example, you want to find a distinct or unique values in a categorical column. Let's say, for example, you have a table in which you have a column like categorical columns which has a categories, a text kind of data. Usually, we call such columns as a categorical column. In categorical columns, what if you need to find the distinct values? There we use a concept called as a distinct. So how to write a SQL query? Whenever you want to find the unique values in a categorical column, we just use a syntax like select, we just mention a distinct keyword and then the column name from table name. So this is finding distinct values in specific column. What if you want to find distinct values in two different columns? Then same distinct keyword and you just need to mention the column 1, column 2 from table name. This is all about a distinct. Let's say, for example, you could see here, I have a employee data. Look into a department table, department column. So department column is a categorical column because the column has a categorical data, text kind of data. So what if my question is to find the unique values or unique department names? So we have so many values in that unique departments are like HR, sales and IT. Like we have so many values, but we have to take it only one time. So that represents a unique value. Okay, so similarly, what if in case, yeah. So this is related to single table. Like for single column. Similarly, if you want to try out for multiple columns, well, try with a SQL. Okay. So now let's switch to a PostgreSQL. Okay. So basically, we know that what exactly is a select distinct. We have learned about a distinct definition. So select distinct basically gives unique values, right? Or distinct values. So it gives its unique values or maybe the distinct values. And the syntax is going to be something like this. I'm repeating syntax. Start with a select distinct. You have to mention a column name from the table name. This is going to give us our unique values in a specific column. What if my question is find unique values in the region column? So very simple. Start with select. You have to write a distinct keyword. You have to find our distinct values in region column, right? Write a region from the table name is going to be the superstore sales. Okay, so execute the query or execute the script. It is going to give us the unique values in a region column. So basically, we have a region column wherein we have a 500 values, but out of 500 values, what are the unique values? It's like just opposite of removing our duplicates and it's giving like only unique ones. So these are the different regions we have in our data: south, west, east, central. I hope it's clear. What if I need to find like unique values? A category column. So we have a category column. So again, same concept, select distinct. I'm going to call a category from superstore sales. So this is going to give us the distinct categories like furniture, office supplies, and also the technology. Clear? So similarly, or if you need to find subcategories. Again, the same concept, select distinct subcategory from the table name, which is going to be superstore sales. So these are the unique values available in a subcategory. I hope it's clear. So now important one, what if you need to find unique values in two different columns? Let's say I want you people to find unique values in a region as well as in a category. So how do you find it? Syntax is simple. Just understand the syntax. For single column, you just write a single column, right? But for multiple columns, just write distinct column 1, column 2 from the table name. So this is going to be the syntax. Okay, and the query is going to be select distinct. We are trying to find the combination of a region and a category. Okay, when you try to find our distinct values in two different columns, it is just going to give you the combination of two different values. So we have four different regions and we have three different categories. So total you get a 12 combinations. I hope you can see here. So all regions corresponding technology combination. Four regions, three categories, four threes are 12 combinations you got. Every region is getting mapped with every category. That's how the distinct is going to work on multiple columns. I hope this is clear. So this is all about a select distinct, which basically helps you in finding unique values in your categorical column. I hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.